Good afternoon. My name is Yamil Moreno Ruiz. I am 30 years old. I am from Sucre, Santander. I am studying psychology. In this moment, I live in Barbosa, Santander. I live alone in a big house. Sometimes my dad visit my grandfather. My house has 3 apartments. In the first apartment is a garage. In the second apartment there are 4 rooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen and living room. In the third apartment there are 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen and living room. In the living room there is a sofa and table in TV no more. In this moment, I don't have the work. My work has wife. I don't have the children. I don't have the husband. I have a boyfriend. He is a policeman. Um, in my free time, I like various activities. Sport, play the guitar. Depend the day, I go to the church. Thank you for watching and God bless you.